Alright, today I want to explain something very simple but really misunderstood. It's the real difference between boosting a post and running actual ads inside Meta Business Suite. Because trust me, the gap is massive. And if you are a small business in Australia, this is probably the reason your ads never work. Boosting is simple. It's like you just want to share more your posts. You want to show that to more people. That's it. There is no more strategy behind it. Boosting is made for reach and engagement. It's not for sale, it's not for lead, it's not for client. It's only one button. There is no targeting depth, there is no proper data, there is no testing. You are just paying to show your post to more people. And often people who never buy from you. That's the point. Boosting is fine for awareness. I use it myself for awareness. It's fine if you just want some eyeballs, but that's where it stops. Now, the real ads. Completely different worlds. In Meta Ads Manager, you can choose your objective, and that changes everything compared to Boost. Traffic, leads, sales, add to cart, landing page view, audience building, retargeting, engagement funnel, and you can build a full system around it. You get real data, CPC, CTR, cost per lead, frequency, retargeting segment, custom audiences, value per result. You know exactly what works and where you lose your money. And the biggest difference is, like with real ads, you can actually test creative, multiple hooks, multiple angles, multiple visual, and so you let the time to the algorithm to decide who's the winner. And that's the main goal with the ads. And you can't do any of that when you boost. Nothing. When you boost a post, you get like, you get comment, you get impression. All good. Those are not KPIs. It's not what we are looking for when we make ads. When you run real ads, your KPIs looks like this. The CPC, so your cost per click, your result per value, your CTR, so it's the click-through rate, the landing page view, the CPM, the cost per lead, also your ROS, ROI, frequency, your hold rate, a lot of very important metrics. And this is with these metrics that we can tell you if your business is growing. So if your goal is sales, leads, booking, getting client, boosting a post never gets you there. So if you want more leads, more bookings, more clients, boosting a post is not the right one. And I get it, boosting a post, it's easy. All right, it's very easy, but easy doesn't mean effective. To be fair, boosting isn't useless. It has its place. It's good for awareness, announcements, reposting UGC, getting reaction, re-engaging your warm audience, and when you want to have a fast visibility, it's okay. But don't confuse visibility with growth. For myself, I did some boosting. It's good. I get some new followers, I show myself, I give some awareness about myself and my services, but I didn't have any KPI behind. I didn't know who clicked, who saw me. I couldn't retarget them. With Meta Ads, you can also create custom audience. Who click on your website, on your landing page for the past 120 days, for example. You can dedicate a specific campaign only for retargeting these people. You have the possibility to create different ad sets. You can use CBO, ABO campaign. So it's like campaign per budget or per ad set. You can check on one ad set which creative is performing well. So you understand you have a winner. You can use this winner in a new campaign to push more. And you cannot do anything like this when you boost a post. So, very important. If you're looking just for awareness, fast visibility, getting some comment, some like, maybe sharing a game or giveaway, all right, boosting a post can be a good option. But if you want to grow your business, to get more qualified lead, booking, sales, you have to jump in the Meta Business Suite for all the things I explained before. You can understand, you can test, you can read the KPI, you have a real feedback, and you have your Meta Pixel. I will get back to the Pixel in the next video because it's very important also to set up properly your Pixel everywhere, create events, but I will get back to that for another video. But what I mean is, like, you can track literally everything. So I really recommend for you growing business, Meta Business Suite, and fast visibility awareness, boosting posts. All right, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. It was a very short video because it's I would say not a famous topic, but I have this question very often with some customers, some friends about why not using only boosting because I can understand Meta Business Suite can feel overwhelming at the beginning, but when you are, that's depend on your objective, to be honest. But yeah, I will make another video for the Meta Pixel if that makes sense for you. If you have any question, drop a comment, please. That's really helped me. If you subscribe and if you give me a like, that means like you have a kind of a resonance with what I'm saying now. Also, guys, don't forget, if at the moment you are running ads or not, or you are planning to run some ads and you want to have some feedback, or maybe analyzing what didn't work or what works, what you can push, what you have to take it back, you can book a free call with me. It's only 5 calls per month. Very happy to get in touch with you, how we can map out the next step for you. And you know what, if we're working together, that's good, that's perfect. If not, that's totally fine. I'm very happy, like we can just talk about your strategy, and at least you will go with like some takeaways about your ad. So guys, you can click in the button below, book a call with me if you want, and I will see you in the next video.